only eat pasta? Let me think. Yes! Because I'm made of pasta everywhere. After all, this is the pasta queen! The username should give it away! Why don't you cook anything else but pasta? I don't know. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. But I am the pasta queen! Ding! Whoa, I just had an epiphany. I am the pasta queen. Oh my goodness. And you, serial commentator, let me just tell you a secret. I actually don't know how to cook anything else. You found me! My secret goal is to get everybody addicted to pasta. So yes, you found me. I don't cook anything else. I don't even know what meat is. I don't even know what a plant look like because I grew in the wheat field of the south of Italy, swimming in the wheat berries. This is all I know. Thank you for reminding me my truly humble beginning. And this is a pasta queen